Abu Saleh Samman says, I along with Hazrat Abu Sayyid Khudri radiyallahu anhu was performing the prayer behind a sutra barrier against the people on Friday. Meanwhile, a young man belonging to Banu Abu Mu'ayth came and wanted to pass in front of him. Hazrat Abu Sayyid radiyallahu anhu whereupon struck him on his chest. He looked around and finding no other way to pass, tried again to pass in front of him. Hazrat Abu Sayyid radiyallahu anhu thereupon gave him a push harder than before on the chest. He stood straight and started fighting with Hazrat Abu Sayyid radiyallahu anhu. He abused Hazrat Abu Sayyid radiyallahu anhu, shoved the people, went away from there and logged a complaint to Marwan. Hazrat Abu Sayyid radiyallahu anhu went to Marwan. He thereupon said, what happened between you and your nephew? Hazrat Abu Sayyid radiyallahu anhu said that he heard Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam say, when someone of you performs prayer making something a barrier against the people, he should third a person on his chest who passes in front of him. If he defies, he should fight with him because he is a Satan. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 1129.